In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Netspend Skylight account. Whether you're revisiting your account for routine checks or trying to manage your funds on the go, it's essential to know how to seamlessly access your account. Today, we'll walk through the steps in detail to ensure that you're logging in confidently every time. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you trust. Once you have your browser open, you'll need to navigate to the Netspend Skylight account login page. You can do this by typing www.netspendskylight.com/account login directly into the address bar at the top of your browser and hitting enter. This will take you directly to the login page, which is specifically designed to securely handle your sign-in information. Now, as you land on the login page, you will see two primary fields, one for your username and another for your password. In the first field, type in your username. It's important to enter it carefully, as even a small typo can lead to login issues. Make sure to check for any spaces or accidental capitalizations that might occur if your caps lock is on. Once you have your username correctly filled in, move down to the password fields. Here, you need to type in your password. Again, be cautious to avoid any typing errors. If you frequently use a specific device to access your account, it's often helpful to check the Remember Username box located just below the password field. This is a handy feature that saves your username for future visits, streamlining the login process significantly. And now the final step, simply click the login button. This button is typically located below the fields where you entered your username and password. Clicking it will send your login information securely to the Netspend Skylight servers for verification. If everything matches, you should be granted access to your account dashboard, where you can view your card balance, monitor transaction history, manage your settings, and much more. If you run into any issues like forgetting your username or password, most login pages offer a recovery option. Look for links like Forgot Username or Forgot Password. Usually clicking these will give you instructions to reset your credentials via email or text. And there you have it. Those are the simple steps to logging into your Netspend Skylight account. Remember, keeping your login information secure is paramount, so avoid sharing it and changing your password regularly to keep your account safe. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process easier for you.